Over the years, audio technology has evolved dramatically, where wired devices then are no more wired devices now, just like these headphones I grew up using. Now we've all moved on to Bluetooth devices, so have I, and these are my Bose NC700 headphones. These headphones are an absolute delight to use. They are super comfortable, excellent sound quality, very good battery life, and everything that I was looking for in having headphones. Along with that, I sometimes switch with the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds when I'm out and want something less bulky and something really small. I go for these cuties when I'm out on meetings or at work or just want something very small on me. But with the pace of technology and our growing wants, do these check all the boxes? Don't you think about what if I want to go swimming with my headphones sometimes? What if I want them to be an MP3 player? Enter my new favorite gadget, the Shokz Bone Conduction headphones. So Bone Conduction headphones are not your typical headphones. These are an open ear design, bud-free listening all day without having anything in your ears. So the technology basically works with vibration going through as sound, so you hear the same quality of music as in-ear headphones, but these just work as bone conducting. Remember when I said technology has evolved dramatically? I wasn't kidding. When you open the box, the first thing you see is this sleek design, beautiful headphones. When you go into the box, what you come across is basically very few accessories because it's a very low maintenance product. So the first accessory that you will see is a really durable silicone rubber pouch. This rubber pouch is water resistant, which is great for swimming, running, or when you're just sweating and just need something water resistant. This is an absolute perfect go-to. When you open the pouch, the first thing you see is a user manual. So the user manual will help guide you on how to use this device. So connecting for battery, transfer, whatever it is, this is perfect. Along with that, what you will also find are two important gadgets. The first is a swimming earplugs. Because these are open ear headphones, these swimming earplugs are great when you go swimming. They're super flexible, super soft and universally sized, so you don't have to worry about if they'll fit you or not. These are really comfortable to use. Along with that, what you also get is a charging cradle. So this charging cradle came really nicely packed and I was really happy with it. The charging cradle basically is very simple to be connected either to a socket or to your laptop. Very simple to use, just click that and connect it to your headphone. The headphone overall is perfect. It's beautiful, super flexible, has an IP68 waterproof rating, and is very comfortable to use. That's the part that sits on your cheek, super comfortable. That's the part that goes in your charger, very easy to use, and these are the sound controls. They are soft touch, so you don't have to worry about pressing them too hard. I'm super excited to try these on and actually go swimming and running and see how they work. Let me know what you think about this. Feel free to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.